Hey YouTube, this is me, Limited. What's up? Today, we are going to, today I'm going to show you a dog Busto. You know him. He's pretty special to me. I love him as a kid to me. Love him to death. I'll do anything for him. But when I was little, since I was 6 or 7, we got Buster. He's a boy. He's my best friend since, and ever will be. And he's my cat since. And when I give him these, he goes crazy. It's bacon bats. He loves bacon. It's my boy Buster. But anyways, yeah. We've been friends not since. And that's my new friend I have for like a really long time. She has like 7 puppies so far. But she's getting old, so she can't have no more puppies. So yeah. And I know can't speak. That when you get a puppy, you can train it to do tricks and stuff. I not do that to Buster at all, and I know it's too late for that. But Buster do these things. Buster can speak. He wants something. He can talk sometimes. If he's really happy to see me, he can talk. He can attack like cats, but sometimes play well with him, Mittens, my cat, or my mom's, but hey, it's fun too. But we woke in, when I say just saying, is Mittens, the cat, is your best friend. He can put his paw over her. Sometimes, but not often. But when speak, sorry. My Buster cannot do sit yet or give me his paw yet. We still work on that still, but he can find stuff though. Like you put something in your hands, like treat or something, or a bone, or a little toy, he can find it. Or put anywhere in there, he can find it. So let's do one that speak. Let me put a one of these. And Buzz is looking at me. I want one because I'm almost empty. Okay, let's do the little pics. Hey Buster, you ready? Speak. 1, 2, speak. 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 Want it? Speak. Buster, speak. Speak first. Speak. Do you want to treat? You're still working on it. Speak. Speak. You want to treat? Speak. 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 Come on. Say something. That's it. I want a treat. I want a treat. Say it. I'm not being mean. Say it. Buster thinks I'm being mean. I'm not. Buster. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Speak. Come on. You done before? Speak. Okay. I gave him 1 takes. That's 1 takes. Let's see if he can do it or not. And my dog fits in this one. Speak. Speak. You want to speak? Speak, Buster. Bitsy, not you. Speak. Come on. Okay, one more Buster. You need to speak. Speak. Buster. Buster, speak. 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 You want to speak? Speak. Speak. Buster, speak. Want it? Speak. Talk. Let's see. Talk. Say I love you. Say I love you. I'm not being mean. Say I love you. Say I love you.
Uncle Jesse. Yes, may I help you? Doggy ate my ice cream.
Buster, speak.
Ice cream?
He will do it.
I'll cheer you up.
But not on camera. No ways.
Okay, you want to sing?
Okay. Here's another trick. He can find stuff in my hands. Kind of this. Buster,
Where is he? All right. Where is who?
who's your feet?
Big J. Just himself. This man.
Who's your feet?
Gonna kiss him with the girl?
Did it? Did it?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo.
See me?
He got it from the tree in my hands. And I know that's kind of mean, but it's kind of too late for teaching my dog Buster. But because he's no treat. But hey, it works kind of sometimes. And I tell him that you do these tricks that I'm learning you to do, I will buy you a toy for $5. Like iPhones or I've not those. Maybe if I have a toy. That's why, Buster. Come here. That's why. I'm sitting on the phone with my dog Buster. You can see. Buster. And he is so cute.
This is my niece DJ, definitely, and Michelle.
Dewey. He's so cute. So if you like this video and my dog Buster and want to see more of him, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below. He is like, his age is like 9, okay? I don't know yet, but he is still a little puppy still. That's what Buster is. You little puppy? You still a little puppy still?
Let's jump on our bunch to this part. I'll show you what it's got
He's
to do.
sniffing me. Buster! Buster! But yeah. Oh my god, my phone. So yeah, we are best friends now. I'm still learning, not him doing stuff. But yeah. I'm laying on the floor. I don't know why. It's kind of duty, but hey. That's what I said. What's up? Wait. Come here. Come here. Ah! If you like this video, please give it. Okay, you know what? I missed. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe. If you want to see my DJ Buster, can you see my So yeah, I'm in my bedroom right now. Kinda messy. But anyways, I need to go to bed. But anyways, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe below. And I have a music.ly is down below. Joey is Joey Love 16. JOLIE. And then love, no spaces, 16. No space, by the way. But if you like this video and you see my dog Buster really first time, well, He's a good dog. I love him so much. I do anything and I will protect him all my life. And when he get old, yeah. But anyways, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and please comment below if you want to see more of my dog Buster. This is a dog part in my video with Buster. So yeah, please subscribe. Sorry. And yes, I'm feeling a little bit better. Kinda self-routine about me and my ex-boyfriend, Jamie. Kinda feel a little bit better, but I'm still down about it. So yeah, if you not want to see this video, such a love story about when I talk about my that boy, my dreams, my ex-boyfriend Jimmy, please watch that and you understand what I'm going through right now. Trying to type of kid, his parents, his family, and his mom, maybe his brother, maybe his stepdad, or his partner's family don't like me. Please support me. If not, we'll, I don't know to say. But please, and my friend Chinta's not here right now because I don't know. He's at his house up the hill from my neighborhood. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe once again. I do videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes on the weekends, and like when we are from school, I do videos. Sometimes if I'm in the mood to do it or not. It depends on my mood and my happiness and not thinking about stuff. So yeah, pretty much. Please subscribe and all that stuff. Please. Have a nice day or night. Peace. Peace out.